From a land without restrooms, to a secret scavenger hunt, to a book that you can write a wish in. I've got a list of hidden gems to make your next Magic Kingdom day just a little bit more magical. Hi, I'm Christina, and I want your family to have a very magical vacation. And I'm here today at Magic Kingdom, and along the way, I'm gonna show you some hidden gems, Easter eggs, and fun facts that you can enjoy when you're here at Magic Kingdom. And we're gonna be exploring these by land, starting in Tomorrowland. And you're gonna wanna wait till the end of this video because Fantasyland has the most Easter eggs I found, and they are awesome. You don't wanna miss them when you're on vacation. Let's start with a general fun fact about Magic Kingdom here at Disney World. Did you know that the whole Magic Kingdom, what you see, the rides, the castle, everything is on the second floor? Because it's here in Florida, they can't really dig down because, well, water, swamp, it's swampland, right? So they built it on the second floor because on the first floor is a whole tunnel system. I've never seen it, but I've heard about it, where cast members can move from one side of the park to the other without any guests seeing them. So you're not going to see a cast member wearing Tomorrowland clothes in Adventureland or anything like that, because there are passageways that they can take, so they are only seen in the land they belong to. Pretty neat, right? And if you would like a free guide to all the rides and attractions here at Disney World, check the description below. I give you a free link along with notes, especially if you're traveling with young kids. So let's head on into Tomorrowland. Now in Tomorrowland is gotta be one of the best rides. It's called Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover. Yeah, I know it's a long name, but we just call it the People Mover, which actually used to also be at Disneyland in California. And it's still here at Disney World, and it is such an awesome ride with great views of not only Tomorrowland, but also all around the park. You can see the castles, and when you're on it and during fireworks, you can see the fireworks. It's a magical ride with a great view. And on this ride, there is Walt Disney's original concept model of Epcot. And I even tell you that on the ride. The full name for Epcot is the Experimental Prototype Community of Tomorrow. And that's exactly what Walt Disney had in mind in 1966 when he thought about it. It's a self-sustaining community where science and imagination thrive. So yeah, this is a great fun Easter egg while you're riding around on the People Mover. Now, this video is not an exhaustive list of all the fun things you can discover at Magic Kingdom. This is only part one. We will be doing more videos later on, so subscribe for more of that and vacation planning tips. Now let's go on the complete other side of the park in Frontierland, which is home to Thunder Mountain, currently closed, and Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Now, Tiana's Bayou Adventure not only takes you on a very splash-heavy ride through the bayou, but while you're waiting in the queue, you will actually see letters from Tiana's dad and mom that they wrote, and it could bring a tear to your eye. Also in Frontierland, at the quick service restaurant called Pecos Bill's Cafe, where they sell a lot of Tex-Mex food, and it's actually pretty good. Good, safe option for you. There is a secret, not so secret dining room that is actually pirate themed because it's actually in Adventureland, which I actually already showed you in the How I Rode 10 Plus Disney Rides with No Lightning Lanes video at Magic Kingdom. But it's worth noting again because it's such an awesome dining room. And while we are in Adventureland, I want to show you the best underrated attraction, I think, at Magic Kingdom if you are a pirate fan. Okay, so Pirates of the Caribbean's right over there. And coming out here, which is kind of in Adventureland, is a Pirate's Adventure, which is a pirate scavenger hunt. And you get a map, it's completely free. And you get a map, and with your magic band, you go around Adventureland, wherever the next clue tells you to go, and there's special effects that are all pirate themed, and they're so fun. We will be doing that in another video. Subscribe right now. Speaking of pirates, let's talk about Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Now, I know a lot more trivia about the one at Disneyland, but this one has a few fun things as well that's also the same at Disneyland. For starters, the captain on the ship during the battle scene where the ship is attacking the port is actually Captain Barbossa, voiced by Jeffrey Rush, who voiced him in the Pirates movies. Also, Johnny Depp reprised his role as Captain Jack Sparrow at the end of the ride in his treasure room. Also, in the scene where the mayor of the town is being put in the well, you might recognize the pirate captain and the flute player right next to it. Do you see it? He has a hook, and the flute player is wearing a striped shirt. Look familiar? Please note that when you see this camel in front of Aladdin's magic carpets, and you see a wet spot, only stand in it if you want to get wet. Otherwise, it might surprise you. Watch out, he spits. She spits. Camel spits. Oh, there it goes. Okay, let's start the fun facts and hidden gems in Liberty Square. Fun fact number 1, there are no restrooms in Liberty Square. Do you know why? Because Liberty Square is representing the colonial times of the United States, and there was no indoor plumbing then. So to make it authentic, they didn't put restrooms in here. Any restrooms located in restaurants or nearby cross the border to other lands. Also, fun fact, they put this brown river throughout Liberty Square. And remember when I said that there was no indoor plumbing? Well, where did the waste go? That's right, Pooh River. Aren't Imagineers creative? Another hidden gem is right outside the Yale Christmas shop is a 100-plus-year-old tree. And as you can see, there are lanterns hanging from the tree. And how many lanterns are there? 13, representing each of the 13 colonies that founded the country. Another hidden gem is this big old Liberty Bell here, and it is a replica of the actual Liberty Bell. There is another replica located at Knott's Berry Farm in Southern California, and I think that's it. The flag. The Court of Flags. 13 proud and colorful flags fly high today to honor the original states which became united under our country's first constitution. A replica of the first national flag used in 1787 symbolizes the joining of the states for our first union. And there it is. Next, I want to show you something on the Liberty Square riverboat, which will actually be closing sometime in the near future to make way for the new Cars ride. But while it's here, I wanted to share that there is actually a secret room on the second floor. It doesn't have the view like the rest of the boat does. However, it is a great place to sit and get a little bit of air conditioning. So it's a fun hidden gem on the boat. Speaking of restrooms, let's head to one where I will show you a secret scavenger hunt that not many people know about, but super fun, especially for kids. All right, this secret scavenger hunt is located near the Tangled restrooms, which are located right next to Haunted Mansion and Fantasyland. So we're gonna come over here. There's a waterfall over here at the bottom of Rapunzel's tower. Let's see if we can find some hidden friend. He's very good at hiding. Let's see if we can find him. Okay, I'm over here in the seating area, which actually has charging stations. That's cool. All right, let's see if we can find a Pascal. Oh, I see one. He's glaring at me. There's another one. It's over there. And I guess he used to be up here, but no more. Located in Pinocchio's village house are not only tables where you can see into the It's a Small World ride, but there's also a wish book where you get to write a wish. So here's the entrance, and hey, a water bottle filler. Those are the windows to order or pick up your mobile order. And then to the left, that's where the wish book is. I wrote that one day. Our family can go on the Disney Wish because I haven't been on it yet, and it's princess themed cruise and I love my princesses, so one day, I'm sure, and I'll take you along with. So subscribe to make that possible. Thank you. Also, hey, if you are not able to dine in Cinderella at Cinderella's royal table in the castle, you can still meet her and a special Disney princess right here at Princess Fairy Tale Hall. All right, and since we are still in Fantasyland, let me show you another hidden gem. Here is another hidden gem at Sir Mickey's, which is right next to the castle. So pretty. And as you can see, the beanstalk is coming out of the store. And if you go inside, you may be able to see a giant. You see him? See Willie? And there is Sir Mickey. You know how Disneyland has Snow White's wishing well? Well, Cinderella gets a wishing well too. The right of the castle. Your wishes will help the dreams of children come true. All right, right next to the castle, over here, you got Liberty Square right over there. And here is a Cinderella fountain. She may look just like an average country girl, but if you look at her straight on, she's wearing a crown. Another fun fact is inside the castle walkway is a Cinderella mosaic. And this is a combination of Italian glass, silver, and gold. And there are over 1 million pieces to make the whole mural. Cinderella's dreams come true. And here's something really fun to get everyone in your family involved in. While you're waiting in line on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, once you get inside the vault area, there is a barrel spinning activity where if you spin the barrel, a little fun surprise happens on the ceiling. Well, if you spin all the barrels really fast at the same time, get everyone around you involved, then something even more magical happens. I won't tell you what it is, but you'll want to see it. Another fun fact is that inside Storybook Circus, near the Dumbo attraction, there's a playground inside Dumbo for your kids to play on while you wait to get on the ride, which is really cool. Also, if you look on the ground, you may see some peanut shells because Dumbo, he likes peanuts. Also, there is a fun Casey Jr. splash pad right here with some Disney trivia connected to it. Each of the cars has numbers. 71, that was the year Magic Kingdom opened. 82 was the year Epcot opened. 89 was the year Hollywood Studios opened. And 98 was the year Animal Kingdom opened. And here are a couple other things about Main Street. Fun facts is that the flags along Main Street are not real flags. They're either missing a stripe or a star or something so that they don't have to be taken down every night. There's only one flag that needs to be taken down every night and put up every day, and that is the center flagpole right in front of the train station, which has already been taken down for the day. Also, this is in Center Main Street. If you go down this way, you may be able to hear the residents of Main Street, U.S.A. chatting it up. Elias Disney, that's Walt Disney's father. Oh, all these windows with names and everything have meanings. I don't know all of them, but they're fun little Easter eggs to learn. So at the top of Main Street is Tony's Town Square, which I've heard is expensive Olive Garden food. But there's a cute little Easter egg over here that you might recognize from the movie Lady and the Tramp. Isn't cute? Lady and Trim's paw prints from the movie. Also next to Tony's restaurant is where you can meet Mickey. Just FYI. 35-minute wait. That's fine. Okay, so that was my list of hidden gems, fun facts, and Easter eggs here around Magic Kingdom. And that there are so many more than that, than what I share with you. So if you want me to do another video like that, let me know in the comments. And which one was the most surprising to you? Let me know that in the comments as well. And check us out on Patreon, where we not only help you plan your next Disney vacation, but we also help you bring the magic at home. So thank you so much for watching. Have a magical day. Bye.